power of federal judges to grant nationwide relief. The decision came in response to a legal challenge over President Donald Trump's executive order attempting to restrict birthright citizenship. The court ruled that lower federal judges cannot issue broad injunctions that apply beyond the parties directly involved in a case, a shift that could have wide-ranging implications for future legal challenges to federal policies. The executive order at the centre of the case has sparked intense debate over the constitutional guarantees of citizenship for children born in the United States. Critics say today's ruling could make it harder to block federal actions nationwide, while supporters argue it reins in judicial overreach and restores balance between the courts and the executive branch. We're now joined by Spencer Critchley, communication strategist located in California. Spencer, thank you very much for joining us on the program. What's the significance of this Supreme Court ruling? Under the Trump administration, birthright citizenship has been a controversial topic. What are your thoughts on this ruling by the Supreme Court today?
Well, I think you're right to highlight that. There are at least two stories here. One of them is President Trump's actual objective, which is to go around the Constitution and end birthright citizenship, meaning that having a child in the United States would not guarantee that that child is an American citizen. The legal wrangling is the means by which he hopes to get there. And I think there actually is a legitimate debate to be had about the extent that local judges at the state level should have in issuing these nationwide injunctions. As much as Republicans are complaining about it now, Democrats were very unhappy about it as well under Biden, and other previous presidents have also had to deal with this. The opposition party will do what's called judge shopping. They'll go looking around the country for a judge who has a record of being friendly towards their beliefs, bring a case before that judge, and that judge will rule and issue a nationwide injunction against whatever it is they want to stop. There was a judge in Texas that the Republicans loved to use during the Biden administration to do exactly this. So as I say, I think there's a legitimate debate to be had about how much power judges at the state level should have to issue nationwide injunctions. And I think I could make an argument on both sides of that. But really, the larger topic here is President Trump wants to end birthright citizenship, which almost everybody agrees would require changing the Constitution. And he doesn't want to bother with that. He wants to be able to just order changes like this.
Yes, Spencer Critchley, thank you very much.